All right, welcome back. So this is another SEO content, SEO page, on page SEO mastery factor, or you can say a checklist we were, covering. So here you can see we have featured snippet, which is very important to understand when you're creating content or when you're writing blogs for your, for your website. Here you can see there are three or four types of, I guess, feature is neighbored, and the best thing is you can see here it is like the table featured snipper, and list featured snipper, and videos featured snipper. And then fourth one is also the paragraph featured snipper. Let me show you an example of this. So here you can see I have just searched this term, list of fastest animals. So I just see some of the first, now Google has introduced this, this is a long time uh change, which is like AI overview, where Google directly answer using AI. So but here you can see we have a featured snippet of table, and this is a this is a table featured snippet. If you just open this, if you just open this article, fastest animal, this is basically a Wikipedia website where there you can see the long written article about the fastest animal. So here you can see we have another table. So if you're writing content and you're not including table or list of articles, or sorry, listings, or any the paragraph or direct answers in the article, you might not get in the featured snippet of Google. So this is important to understand that you'll have to, when you're writing article, kind of like what are the fastest animals, or what are the fastest this or that, you should have include a table in your in your article, so that you might have a chance to rank in the featured snippet which Google really likes. And of course the user do refer this, because Google user want to know that the fastest answers here. Again, moving here, we have another few list of few list of here you can see this is the list featured snippet, which is like five. When I just search this thing, how to ride a bike. So these are the five points which I get to know that this is how I can ride a bike. So if you are lacking in adding the points or list, or you can say listings or list in your article, you are just lacking the chance to rank in the featured snippet. So I recommend you guys to add some of the list in your article, or table content or listings. Here you can see this is also a list, top 10 richest people in the world. So these are, here you can see this is a featured snippet. And you can see here this is the listing featured snippets, which you get to know that these are the list of richest people in the world. Moving ahead, here you can see we have a video snippet, how to make fried rice. So if you think that you can make good videos on a niche, like food niches, or any niches that you think that you can make videos, so you can put on your website. So this is how you rank on you know in the featured snippet, when somebody search like this, how to make fried rice, or how to make this, or how to make that. So this is a video snippet which you need to add in your article. The fourth one is, what is RPM, right? So I would want to show you guys that this is, I would say, this is a paragraph featured snippet. When you get to see the answer in just 2 or 3 lines. So this these two website have answers. This, what is RPM? RPM stands for revolution per minute. So this is the fourth featured snippet which you need to know when you're creating content. You have to understand that You should be adding tables, you should be adding listings, you should be adding some videos if you think you can make great videos. You can, you have to sometimes you have to answer, in just 2 or 3 lines. Like what does, RPM means in cars. So they are just answering, it directly. RPM stands for, revolutions per minute. So in just 2 or 3 lines, you have to answer that, particular question. So that's how you increase your chance to rank in the top 10 results of Google. So this is a on-page SEO factor which is important to understand. So that's where I just make a video on this. So in the upcoming video, we will see some of the most important on-page SEO factors. So see you there.